Welcome! If you want to see the newest comments first on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the updated steps to sort your Instagram comments by the most recent, so you never miss out on the latest conversations. Let's get started. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile, look to the top right and tap the menu icon. That's the 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. This will open up a list of options. From here, tap on Your Activity. This section keeps track of all your interactions on Instagram, including the comments you've made. Next, tap on Comments. Here, you'll see a list of all the comments you've posted across Instagram. But to sort them so you see the newest ones first, look for the Sort and Filter option at the top of the screen and tap it. A new menu will appear. Under the Sort By section, select Newest to Oldest. This will instantly rearrange your comments, showing the most recent ones at the top of the list. And that's it. You've now sorted your Instagram comments to display the newest first. This is super helpful if you want to quickly check your latest interactions or respond to recent conversations without scrolling through older comments. Remember, Instagram updates its features regularly, so if you don't see these exact options, make sure your app is up to date. Sorting your comments by newest to oldest is a great way to stay on top of your Instagram activity and engage with your followers more efficiently. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more up-to-date Instagram tips and tricks. See you in the next video.